So thousands across the country, they're calling themselves COVID-19 long haulers, dealing with symptoms that carry on long after the virus is gone. But now there's a new push to bring some much needed care to those who are still suffering here in Arizona. Our Jamie Warren shows us how in a story all new for you this morning.
It was two separate infections. The second infection was much worse for me. I had breathing problems. I had to be on breathing treatments at home.
But after testing positive for COVID-19 last summer, Sabrina Shaw, a go-getter defense attorney in Cottonwood, Arizona, says the trouble breathing, fatigue, headaches, and foggy memory followed her for months.
That obviously is emotionally devastating and can be very difficult, just to realize that you're not where you once were. So, that part obviously still stays with you just because it's humbling and it's hard.
Unfortunately, her story isn't unique.
And then by week 8 was when all the autonomic nervous system dysfunction started.
Utah resident Lisa O'Brien's experience with COVID prompted her to create a Long Haulers Facebook group for people in her state. It now has over 2,000 members. She then branched out to other states like Arizona.
And I would just kind of guide them and to kind of grow the page and get resources like I've done here in Utah.
Resources like a post-COVID care center. O'Brien says a personalized team of doctors that are up to date on long hauler symptoms would be beneficial for many.
We're still seeing in all the groups every week people going to doctors and their doctors like having no clue that it even exists.
Her push for one in Utah wasn't easy.
I reached out to a lot of state leaders, and a lot of times I was met with silence.
But she kept going, and work is now underway to create one. The hope is that the same thing can happen here in Arizona.
We can all have our doctors working together instead of going to 5 different specialists or doctors and trying to figure out what's supposed to be done.
So they say Arizona is actually one of 18 states without a post-COVID care center, but their work has captured the attention of researchers here at ASU. We will tell you about their future plans coming up in our next half hour. We're live in Tempe. I'm Jamie Warren, ABC 15, Arizona.
Yeah, I know so many of our own Arizona long haulers looking forward to seeing what help could be coming their way. Jamie, we'll see you in a bit. Thank you so much.